and welcome, my friend. This short meditation to guide you how to power nap. Many times we don't have a lot of time, but we really need to rest very deeply, very profound. So this method works for me unbelievably well, and I hope for you as well. So you can sit comfortably. I think sitting is preferred than lying down, because when you lie down, you go immediately into like a night sleep mode. This is a different effect. But when you sit, something in your psyche stays alert, and there'll be only a very powerful reset of your system without moving into a deep sleep. But whatever posture you're choosing, make sure you're very comfortable. Don't strain your body in sitting super straight or anything. Opposite, make sure you are very comfortable. And now bring your awareness to your toes. Feel the vibration in your toes. Feel the vibration in between your toes. And then start to inhale a bit deeper, pulling the life force from infinity, from above your head, into your toes. And when you exhale, visualize beams of light shooting out as far as possible to the whole creation. Inhaling, pulling the life force from the whole creation through your head, through your brain, and guiding it down into your toes, into the webs between your toes, and then exhaling, visualizing beams of light shooting out. One more time, very deep breath from infinity through the brain all the way down to the toes, the webs between the toes as well, and then push it out, beams of light to infinity. As further as you can visualize those beams, more powerful and immediate effect on your relaxation. Good. Now we're letting go of the controlled breathing, but we stay with the image of beams of light shooting out from between your toes to infinity. Now those beams of light, if it works better for you, you can visualize it in a certain color. Pink works for me. Whatever works for you is fine. But most important is to keep the image of immense radiation of those beams to infinity. Keeping it like this will for sure bring the energy from your head downwards, and a very deep power nap will take place. This power nap, even if it's 1 minute, will recharge you and reset your whole system. Try it out, enjoy it, and have a blessed day, my friend.